As a group manager, you are able to manage other members within your group. There are two ways to see your group members. Remember, the first way is the Members tab, and this is an easy way to see your users if you have a small or manageable number of users. If, however, you have a lot of users or would like to do perform any actions with them, you would need to go to the Group Admin menu, expand that, and then click on Manage Members. This Manage Members section will take you to the back end of the list of members of your organization. The members of your organization are all listed right here in this table. If you had a lot of users, their list would grow and or page. So you can see how many, some statistics. Total members, 7. And then we can also perform some operations. We can sort for users by active or pending or blocked. So if we have blocked a user and we'd like to find them, we can sort for them that way. If we just want to see active users, we can filter that way as well. And then same with pending. If their status was pending, like you sent them an invitation, but they have not joined the group yet, you could sort for people that way as well. There are other operations you can perform, such as removing a user or giving another user a group manager role. So let's first walk through removing a user. So we're going to go ahead and click on the user's name that we would like to remove. And then we're going to come here to choose an operation, and we're going to click Remove from Group, and then Execute. And this will take us to a confirmation page, like, are you sure you would like to remove this member? Go ahead and click Confirm. You'll have a status bar performing the action, and then the page will refresh. You'll see a Drupal system message up here saying that a user was removed from the group. And then you can come down here in this listing and see that the user is no longer part of the group. Other operations you can perform. Let's go ahead and check this user, and we would like to modify their membership status. So go ahead and click that and click Execute. This will say what status would you like to give them. They're currently active. Let's say we would like to block them. So go ahead and do that and then click Next. It will ask me to confirm that we still want to do this action, and it's saying QA member 2 in this group, space group. So go ahead and click Confirm, and then you'll get a status bar with the status, and then we will see this user QA member 2 has been blocked. The last action you can perform here is to give another user a group manager role. So go ahead and check the name of the user you'd like to make a group manager with you. Choose the operation of Modify OG User Roles. Just for reference, OG stands for Organic Groups. It is a term within the system, a Drupal term. Doesn't mean much for you, but just so you know, this is modifying the user roles. So go ahead and you've checked the name, you've selected this, and then you can click Execute. And now we would like to add a role to that user. This is the same process if you wanted to remove a role from a user. You would check the Remove Roles box, or from this box, if they already had that role and you wanted to remove it. But in this case, we want to add the role. So we're going to select Add Group Manager and click Next. And then we'll get a confirmation. Are you sure you'd like to do this? Confirm. And then you'll have a status pending bar. And the page will refresh when that role has been created. So now we can see that our user QA admin now has the group manager role. And so that's how you get to managing people within your group.